Hello, and welcome to this lesson where we're going to look at the cross-sections of prisms. So we're going to start by asking what a cross-section is. It's just the shape that we would get if we were to cut a shape like this in two. So here you note that we cut the shape and we've cut it parallel to the base of the shape. So we could cut it here or here, but we don't cut our shape something like this. For our cross section, we need to be cutting it parallel to the base of our shape. Now, the cross section is the shape that we get here. And you'll note that in this case, the cross section is the same as the top of our prism. So we end up with a cross section, which is this. And if you looked at it from the top, it would be a rectangular shape. It looks like this here, just because of the perspective we're using. So a cross section is just the shape you get if you cut your shape parallel to its base. So some shapes have what's called a uniform cross section. Now when you hear the word uniform, you might think of the uniform you wear to school, but uniform is a word that just means the same. You all wear the same uniform. In the same way here, uniform cross sections mean same cross sections. So what this means is that some shapes we could cut it at any point in the shape. So you cut it here or here or here, any cross section of the shape, and it's going to give you exactly the same cross section. So it doesn't matter where we cut this shape here or this cylinder here, it's always going to give us the exact same cross section. And this is true of all prisms and cylinders. No matter where we cut it, it's going to give us the same cross section, and that's going to be the same as the shape on the top or the base. So we could cut this one here, or we could cut it here, and we get the exact same shape. Non-uniform cross sections though are where we could cut our shape in one spot. So here we get this ovally shape, but it's not the same as if we were to cut it somewhere else. Here we'd get a shape that's like that. And in this shape down here, it's a very irregular shape. And if we cut it in different places, it's going to give us different cross sections. So non-uniform just means not the same. So it's not going to have the same cross sections. So prisms and cylinders always have a uniform cross section, but other shapes may or may not. So I hope that lesson's made sense. It is a short one and we'll cover more of this in class. Thanks.